Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heated passenger seat. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.